What?
They were just dusty. I just blew the dust off them.
The glasses?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yeah.
You look very nice, Harry Potter. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. Today, I'm going to be playing with a Colourpop palette. I'm excited because she feels so nice. It's the Colourpop Plush Like Me. And it's got like the velvety little top, like raised lettering. So it feels plush. Let me show you what the inside of this palette looks like. So pretty. And I love that Colourpop has these little like notches where I can put my finger in and get stuff. Oh, look at this. That's, you can't, well, can you see? This is velvet. I absolutely adore the feel of velvet. I don't want to wear it because it gets hot, but I am like, that is so beautiful. And then you have like the shade names on the back. Very cute, very nice, very Colourpop. And then the inside, look at that. She's gorgeous. The only color that kind of like goes with the outside is going to be this color for me though. So the rest are a no. But we're going to be playing with this one today. I just want to do like a simple-ish kind of fall-y into winter-y, cold-ish look. That makes sense. Sort of. Let me pull my hair back. Not that it matters a whole bunch, but... Okay. Got it. Yeah? Yeah, that looks okay. That doesn't really look okay, but that's okay. That's okay. We're just doing some eyeshadow and we'll go from there. It's okay. It's fine. Anywho, I have like the littlest hairs that want to stick around. Oh, it's fine. It's no big deal. Hairs everywhere. That's fine. Okay. So to start, for my transition shade, I don't know if I want to do shimmers. Like, am I the only one who's like, lately at least, normally all the time, I'm a matte girly. Like, if I had one more child, the name would be Matt. M-A-T-T-E. Matt. Yeah. Girl or boy, doesn't matter. Matt. So, I'm really thinking this shade here, what are you? Ironic Flannel and Velvet One. I mean, knee highs is kind of cute. Girl band. It's very different for, I'm just looking at it in my viewfinder, a little bit different too. But it's different for Colourpop to put like the darker color over here. Normally they like to scoot it all the way over here. But anyway, I'm just yapping. Let's come in with Ironic. And Colourpop does have pigment. So I'm going to tap it off like it's 2010. Can we still do that in 2010? Good question. I'm going to come in the crease, lay it down, buff it around. We're doing it. We're doing good. Part of me wants to come and like drag it under my eyes, and I'm like, no, wait, but do I want to wait? No, we want to do this. Next, I want to come in with the flannel. And I want to come in with a smaller fluffer brush. Did I forget to mention I came in with a fluffer brush in the beginning? Fluffy fluffer brush. And now I'm coming in with like an angled fluffer brush, but it's not as like out there fluffy. And we're going to be doing flannel. Flannel. I like that. And then here, I'm going to try and keep this more on my lid. Tappa tappa. Because remember, Colourpop comes with the pigment. There. Okay. And now we're just going to build. It's fine, little at a time. Tappa tappa. I actually want to try and come to like the center of my eye. Like, don't, I know I'm saying this, and watch me go above my crease. Don't go above the crease. Watch me go above my crease. And then do the same to the other side. gentle. Tap in there. Ooh, okay. Oh, I like this one. It's always this side. For whatever reason, it's like my eyes are in competition, and this one's always like, let me one-up you. That's okay, because then we go back and do the same to the other side. Then I'm going to kind of pull it down onto my lid. Kind of blend it out a little bit. I mean, I guess you could say that. Blend it out, blend it down. Because then I want to come in. I do want to do velvet one. And I have this brush. It's more of like a teeny tiny angled, curve angled eyeliner brush. But I'm like, looking at my other brushes, I'm like, do I have something similar? Because I want to come in maybe just with a crease or a little different. There you are. Okay. Sorry, I got it all up in your face. I'm going to come in with a different brush right now. I'm going to do Velvet 1. This one's more of like a flat, more dense brush. Remember, Pigment, Colourpop. How many times have I said that so far? And this one I want to keep in the outer V. So just like a little line and a little line. Ooh, pinky. Okay, now I'm coming back with more pigment. Yeah, it's pretty lovely. Okay, we can come onto the bottom a little bit. Maybe like the outer third. Oh no, too high. That's okay. That's okay. If you do put color where you don't want color, you can always blend it out. It just takes a lot of work. But I mean, like, I'm a lot of work. There we go. That's okay. Still a lot of color. And then I'm going to come back in with this one, that transition one I had before. Kind of just fluff it around a little bit. This one I should probably do like a whole lot, and I cannot. That's okay. I mean, it looks okay. It looks okay. I'm like looking down here in my mirror. I'm like, does it look like it's coming down, like the shadow's fallen? So it kind of looks like my eyes are turned a little differently. I'm going to come back in with flannel, dust it off, and I just want to tappa on the outside above my lid, just so I can kind of bring together some colors out here. I feel like my eyes like looking downturned, and I don't want that. So just a little out here. Just a little. This is on me. I did this to myself. That's okay. That's okay. And then like patta, tappa. Bring it up towards my eyebrow, which I've got to do some eyebrows on. Do some eyebrows on. I had to put some eyebrows on. Alright, and then I do want to come in with this one here, Girl Band, with the liner looking brush, and I just barely like tap it in. And I'm going to come to my lash line, little itty bit, and I just do the outer part of my lash line. Like I don't go all the way across, just a little. That's good. Okay. Is that okay? That looks okay. Okay. And then this one, what did you touch last? Flannel or ironic? Flannel? Ironic. Flannel. Let me come back in with ironic. Just a smidge on the big brush. Kind of bring it down right here, so we can fluff a lot of this together. like soften out that liner line. You know what I mean. The line that I just made along my lash line with the liner brush to kind of do liner. You know what I mean. Just this smidge. And while we're here, I do want to come in with Runway. Right here on the inside. And because it's a bigger brush, I close my eye and kind of just like stamp it. I keep saying pat it, but like stamp it and pull. Same thing right here. Stamp it and pull. And with this bigger brush, it'll get on the lower and upper part around my eye, or at least my inner eye, I should say. And brighten it. I'm going to do more. I might come in with a shimmer if this doesn't give me the brightness. Oh, nope, nope, nope. There we are. Okay. All I had to do was say some not nice things, and all of a sudden we're working really good. Okay. That looks really nice, actually. Not expecting that. Can I come up here? Yeah, just a smidge. Okay, just a smidge. I know, look at the velour. That one is gorgeous. She's so pretty. But I feel like that's more of a pumpkin-y patch, pumpkin spice look. And that's not what I'm going for today. Let me put on some mascara and maybe see about doing some of these brows. Okay, so I did my lips too. But yeah, I'm digging this look. Ma'am. Hello. Hi. Can we just continue? The brows went a little hard. That's okay. But I'm loving like the washed out lip. And then the eyes, like for some reason I'm looking in like all my little mirrors and it just whoosh. I mean, you can see. We can see. You can see. I can see. This stuff is so good. But I mean, it's Colourpop. What else did you expect? Have you seen the other videos I have in my Colourpop playlist on my channel? It's pretty good. I love my hair too. But this stuff, it's always good. This, I don't know why I keep putting it down. This is the look I came up with the Plush Like Me palette from Colourpop. Yeah, I think it's pretty cutesy patootsy too. Thanks for hanging out with me though. If you like what you see, you can hit the like, subscribe button, and remember I got the whole playlist for Colourpop, and I think eyeshadows too. But anywho, I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!